do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm cash.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're in the staging lanes. This is the last day at tx2k. We're here in eliminations, and we're gonna be lined up against this turbo S550 right here. Let's see what she does. We got old girl turned up a little bit, so see what happens. Catch y'all once we get to the burnout box. Out the burnout box. Let's go!
Hey, that's the quickest celebration we had. As soon as I saw it ran out, I was like,
I seen him jump, I was like, oh hell.
and still you broke your record.
Yes.
Hey, what's your tip when you're in it?
Alright guys, we're going for round 2, and I don't know, I'm just going to ride the scramble button because we're going up against number 1. He's a Fbody. Everybody knows how Fbodies are. They're stupid fast and stupid light. But we're going to give my little 5.3 everything she has. Alright guys, we're in the staging lanes. It's starting to rain, so we're kind of at a halt right now. We'll be racing that white Fbody for round 2. Hopefully we either tree him or he does a massive wheelie like he did last pass and we get the win.
Damn. Bring
the finish line first by a little over our car length. So he is the favored car right side based on performance. And once again, it goes wheels up, and he pedals out of it early. The Camaro is right alongside of him to the top end. And the Mustang will get the win, 8:55, denying the better, 8:49, because Tyler got off the starting line.
All right, guys, saying bye to the track. Got the car loaded up. We made the craziest pass the cars ever did. It was door-to-door race. Guy treed me. I hit the scramble. I reeled him back in. He got me by a bumper. I'll show you the video now. And well, like always, catch you on the next one.